YouTube? It's your girl Cherry Coco here with another video, another hair video. As I said in my last video, I went to the 99-cent Infinity store. I know that sounds so cheap, but it's a it's a it's a Dollar Tree, but on the other not a Dollar Tree, but it's a dollar store. No, the other side of it, connected to it, is a beauty supply store in the same store. So I'm not buying 99-cent hair. I am buying cheap hair because I buy cheap hair because I change my hair so often. But trust me, hell is cheap. I don't give a shit. Okay, so anyway, this is what I'm doing today. 3C Whirly, because you know your girl got, actually I got like 4C hair, so this is going to be very interesting. So I'm about to try this out, taking it out of its package. I'll show you this a little bit closer. This is just called 3C Whirly. The last one was called Annie, and it was kinky. Heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Color 1B. Color shown 1B. This is actually a 1. So let me take it out the packaging and everything and try to get started. Okay, y'all, she is out the pack. And I'm just sitting here with my wig cap on. And look what happened with that scarf being on my head. Ugh, I hate that. But anyway, this is her out the pack. Combs on the top. Combs on the bottom. I'll cut the tag out later, but for right now, I'm just gonna shake it out a little bit. Shake her out a little bit. Place her on my head. I didn't adjust the combs or anything. So let's place her on and put the comb in. Comb is nice and snug, and we'll pin her after we do a little bit of work to the top. So I'm just using the things I always use, the jam and the Gots to Be. The jam is just to make my hair a little bit softer than what it is. Oh, I hate that line. All right, let's take the comb out just for a second. And then let's brush some hair out. Let's get out a little bit of that faux C. Okay, so now we sitting on something. At first glance, I don't like it. Oh, this was cool on the mannequin head, but on my head, I don't think I'm really feeling it. It's too hard and the curls are too defined, and maybe after some wear and tear, I don't know. Let me put some pins in it and see if it'll stay down on the side. I don't know. It's not horrible, but no. I think I'm just getting used to my little bun ponytail that's so easy to do every day. Let's put a bobby pin there. Let's put a bobby pin over here. And then we'll put some more in a minute. Yeah, this looks kind of hard. Got some white right there. I mean, it doesn't feel too hard, but it looks kind of hard. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I definitely don't like that other one, that Annie. That was not a hit. That was a total miss. A total miss. I wouldn't even get that sucker away. This one, I think I might want to do like a side. Not a side, just kind of have it going down the middle a little bit. What is this? Okay. And just brush out the sides a little bit, and then we're gonna bring some of this down. Because like I said, I don't do a lot of leave out. I do some, but not a lot. Ouch. Hit my elbow on the desk. A little greasy. Damn, it's 11:30 in the morning. I'm greasy already. Okay, and I'm not combing it because you know these types of wigs you don't actually comb. But I'm gonna make this a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna do the sides just in case the wind blows back, and I don't want to be embarrassed. And with that, and for that, I'm gonna use the Got to Be glue. So yeah, this might not be bad. This might not be too bad, I don't think. Okay, so now we getting out all the tools that we need to get this going. So let me brush this back, brush this down with the Got to Be glue. You can see that little white glare right there on my hair is the actual bobby pin. I don't like to use too much of the Got to Be glue because I really don't want to do any more damage to my edges that I've already done, which is why I stopped doing the lace fronts and things like that. I've even stopped doing the latches, to be honest with you. And I used to love me some latches. But I'm just trying to really get my hair healthy, you know, washing it once a week, sometimes even more often than that, and moisturizing it. I'm putting some extra pins in there to secure it down, and just trying to do a protective style. I don't want to get a perm. Oh my goodness, I never want to get a perm again. So I'm trying to make these cheap half wigs work. And let me see. I think this one might be an actual, well, let's play with it a little bit. Let's see. Okay, I think this one might be a hit. I like the length. Well, maybe I don't. Maybe I'll cut that off a little bit. Maybe it might be just a tad too long. But, yep, let me play with the top. And maybe this middle part wasn't the best. Maybe it was just too much down the middle. Do a little side over. Okay, looking at this, I like it. I might cut it just a little bit, but it doesn't look bad. Almost looks like latches, and it's looking pretty natural with just the small amount of leave out that I left with that with my 4C hair. So, you know what? I think I am going to call this one a hit, a true hit, not like that Annie that I had before, which was a miss. But this is a hit. I like it. So I think I'm gonna rock this one.